Hello, hello student. Today we are going to see the next method of the simultaneous equation, that is the graphical method. So now here today we are going to learn how to solve the simultaneous equation by graphical method. So here in the starting we are going to see the activity based question, that is the question for the 1 and 2 marks. For that question might be this type: complete the following table to draw the graph of the equation. For 1 and 2 marks question there is no need to draw the graph, but you have to solve that activity. So that activity is like this type. So they gave the one simultaneous equations and the certain value of the any one variable, either x variable value or y variable value, it is given in the table. So the remaining values of the all the tables from the table you have to solve with the help of the given data. If you remember last year in the linear equation in 9th standard, in that chapter you must be remember this table with the when the simultaneous equations are given, when the linear equations are given. So when you make this table and you find the value of any one variable, so with the help of that variable values you get the one equation of the line that is in the form of that equation is nothing but a one straight line. And so if for example that equation might be this type. If you remember in 9th standard we study this one, you took the any one variable value according to your own convenience, and then second variable value we find out, and then we draw the graph for that equation, that linear equation. So same that method, but here in 10th standard instead of one equation we have to draw the graph for this straight line for the two linear equations. So how to draw that one, that we are going to see in the next example. So first we are going to do this activities question. So it is what: complete the following table to draw the graph of the equation. So I will explain the first one, and the second one is for your homework. So how to do this one? So equation number 1 is what given: x minus y is equals to 1, and below that they gave this table to you, and in that table there are some box, they are the empty boxes. So here in that empty boxes which value will come, that values you have to find out. So that question might be for the 1 marks or the 2 marks. So how to solve that one? So now if you observe the equation of the line is what given: x minus y is equals to 1. So when this linear equation is given, so if you observe the table, it means what: x value is what given 0. So it means what: when the x value for this equation, when the x value is the 0, then what is the value for the y? So here, so it means what: whatever the equation is given, in that equation you have to substitute this value. So here we are going to begin to solve. So that equation I wrote here. So it is what: x minus 1 is equals to x minus y is equals to 1. So the first in the first column, what is given: x value is what given 0, and y box is empty, and xy box is also empty. So here we need to first find out the x value, and once we get the y value here, so x and y value we have to write down here, because these two are nothing but the coordinates of the x-axis and the y-axis. So it means what: x, when the x value is the 0, then that time what will be the y value? So here that x value I am going to just substitute in this equation. So x is equals to what? 0. So here instead of x now we are going to write down 0. So it is what? 0 minus y value is here no. So that is y is equals to 1. So this minus y I keep as it is, and this 0 I shifted on that side. It means what? All the numbers on the right hand side. So when 0 goes on that side, so this is plus 0 minus 0, it means what? It is going to minus 0, and 0 do not have any special sign. It means what? Minus y is equals to 1. But here always we keep the y value, we want a positive. So this minus sign I shifted on this side. So here we are getting the minus 1. So it means what? When the x value is your 0, so that time your y value is nothing but what? 1. And how it come? From this equation. So here the next column is what? X comma y. It means what? This column x value is what? X coordinate is what? 0, and y coordinate is what? Minus 1. It means what? For this equation, when the x value is 0, so that time y value is nothing but the minus 1. So now we are going to next go on the next column. So it is what? Now here x value is not given, and the y coordinate is given, and y coordinate is what? 0. So that y value we are going to substitute in this equation. So equation again, suppose we are going to write down here x minus y is equals to 1. So now x value is what? x value is not given, we have to find out. So I wrote x as it is minus y value is what? 0 is equals to 1. So x is equals to, this goes on that side, so it is nothing but the plus, it is nothing but what? 1 plus 0. So 1 plus 0 is nothing but what? 1. So it means what? X is what? 1. So it is what? When your x value, when your y value is 0, so that time x value is what? It is the plus 1. So here I am going to write down the plus 1. So xy coordinate for this column is what? 1 comma 0. Now the next we are going to see the third table. The third table is what given? They are given 3 comma minus 3. So here we need to find out, no, because x value is also given, y value is also given. So just we have to write down here. So here it is nothing but what? X and y coordinates we have to write down together. So here we are going to just write down that one. So it is what? 3 minus 3. So now this example is for your homework, so that I will give now. Equation is what? 5x minus 3y is equals to 1. So here suppose this x value is 2, then here is 8, and again suppose here minus 2. So now these equations and this remaining all the values from this table you have to find out, and you have to complete this table. I hope you all of you understood. This question might be they will ask for 1 or 2 marks. So now in the next table, with the example of with the help of these two tables, how to draw the graph, that we are going to see.